Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb yadaw to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. فعل مضارع present tense. فعل مضارع present continuous tense. فعل مضارع. This is a form of verb in Arabic that we can use to talk about something happening at the moment or something that is done on daily basis, like going to mosque, going to school, or going to work. As I am teaching now, the only form of verb in Arabic that I can use to talk about what I am doing now is called فعل مضارع. The question is, how do we change the verb yadaw to suit the pronouns below? Yadaw simply means he puts or he is putting. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb yadaw to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one, ana, I. So how do we change the verb yadaw to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach hamza. The verb yada'u will now become ada'u, which means I put or I am putting. Ithnan, number two, nahnu, we. So how do we change the verb yada'u to suit nahnu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. The verb yada'u will now become nada'u, which means we put or we are putting. Thalatha, number three, anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb yada'u to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. The verb yada'u will now become tada'u, which means you put or you are putting. Arba'a, number four, anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb yada'u to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach ya'un with nunun carrying fataha to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb yada'u will now become tad'ina. Tad'ina, which means you put or you are putting. This can only be used to talk to a single female person. Hamsa, number five, here, she. So how do we change the verb yadaw to suit here? All you need to do is to replace ya'un with ta'un. So the verb yadaw will now become tada'u, which means she puts or she is putting. Remember, we use ta'un to talk about a single female person and ya'un to talk about a single male person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic, which means an action has taken place. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a statement in Arabic, which means an action has not taken place or will not take place. Wahid, number one, yadaw, he puts or he is putting. La yadaw, he doesn't put or he is not putting. Ithnan, number two, tadaw, she is putting or she puts. La tadaw, she doesn't put or she is not putting. Thalatha, number three, adaw, I put or I am putting. La adaw, I don't put or I am not putting. Arba'a, number four, nadaw, we put or we are putting. La nadaw, we don't put or we are not putting. Hamsa, number five, tadaw, you are putting or you put. La tadaw, you are not putting or you don't put. Sitta, number six, tad'ina, you put or you are putting. La tad'ina, you don't put or you are not putting. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal. Now the usage. واحد number 1. يضع خالد الكرسي على الأرض. يضع خالد الكرسي على الأرض. يضع خالد. Khalid is putting الكرسي, the chair, على الأرض, on the floor. يضع خالد الكرسي على الأرض. Khalid is putting the chair on the floor. اثنان number 2. لا يضع خالد كتابه في الحقيبة. لا يضع خالد كتابه في الحقيبة. Khalid is not putting his book inside the bag. ثلاثة number 3. تضع زينب الطفل على السرير. تضع زينب الطفل على السرير. Zainab is putting the baby on the bed. Remember, ala and fi both are agent of kasra. They must mark the last letter of Arabic word appearing after them with kasra, as we have it in al-ardi, done with kasra, fil hakibati, down with kasra, al-sariri, wrong with kasra. So the grammatical duty of ala and fi is to mark the last letter with kasra. Arba'a number 4. لا نضع المكتب في الفصل. لا نضع المكتب في الفصل. We don't put the table inside the classroom. خمسة number 5. أتضع الكتاب في المكتبة يا أخي. أتضع الكتاب في المكتبة يا أخي. أتضع الكتاب في المكتبة. Do you put the book in the library يا أخي, my brother? Talking to a single female person. ستة number 6. أتضعين السفارة في المزبلة يا أختي. أتضعين السفارة في المزبلة يا أختي. أتضعين السفارة في المزبلة. Do you put the waste inside dustbin يا أختي, my sister? أتضعين السفارة في المزبلة. Do you put the waste inside the dustbin يا أختي, my sister? Remember, السفارة means waste, while السفارة means embassy. السفارة embassy, but السفارة waste. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Number 7. Na'am. Now the answer to the questions. Now the answers to the questions. Na'am, yes. أضع الكتاب في المكتبة. I put the book in the library. تسعة number 9. لا أضع السفارة في المزبلة. لا أضع السفارة في المزبلة. No, I don't put the waste in dustbin. لا أضع السفارة في المزبلة. I don't put the waste in dustbin. No should be ignored. The no in English should be ignored. So لا أضع السفارة في المزبلة simply means I don't put the waste in dustbin. عشرة number 10. أين تضعان الأباريق. أين تضعان الأباريق. Where do you both keep the kettles. أين تضعان الأباريق. Where do you both keep the kettles. Talking to Hashim and Khalid. I repeat. أين تضعان الأباريق. Where do you both keep the kettles. عشرة number 10. Being the answer to the question. نضع الأباريق في دورة المياه. نضع الأباريق في دورة المياه. We keep the kettles at the water spots. نضع الأباريق في دورة المياه. We keep the kettles at the water spots. دورة المياه is a place in a mosque where one can fetch water, ease themselves, and perform ablution. إحدى عشر 11. أين تضعون الأقلام يا إخوة. أين تضعون الأقلام. Where do you all keep the pens يا إخوة, brothers. أين تضعون الأقلام. Where do you all keep the pens يا إخوة, brothers, talking to a group of male persons. Now the answer to the question. نضع الأقلام على المكتب. نضع الأقلام. We keep the pens على المكتب, on the table. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 12. 12. أين تضعن المفتاح يا أخوات. أين تضعن المفتاح يا أخوات. أين تضعن المفتاح. Where do you all keep the key. يا أخوات, sisters, talking to a group of female persons. Now the answer. نضع المفتاح في السيارة. نضع المفتاح في السيارة. We keep the key inside the car. Remember, fi is an agent of kasra, so it must give kasra to the last letter of the Arabic word appearing after it, as we have it in fi sayyarati, inside the car. Udrus, learn, walahiz, and observe at the same time. Now we talk about mufradun singular and jam'un plural. So mufrad, this is a word in Arabic that means only one. Jam'u, plural, this is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from third upward. A plurality in Arabic starts from third upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Wahid number one, maktab, table. So the plural is makatib, tables. Ithnan, number two, maktabah, library. So the plural is makatib also, libraries. La'allaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Mufradun singular, jamu plural. Wahid number one, kitab, book. Kutub, books. Ithnan, number two, qalam, pen. Aqlam, pens. Thalatha, number three, mirsam, pencil. Marasim, pencils. Arba'a, number four, kursi, chair. Karasi, chairs. Khamsa, number five, sarir, bed. Surur, beds. Fasil, classroom. Fusul, classes or classrooms. Sitta, number six, ma'un, water. Miyahun, waters. When we have sea water, well water, rain water, together we refer to them as miyah, waters. La'allaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.